Pack your patience, mastering the art of patience in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, pack your patience. This phrase is not only unique but also carries a profound meaning that can be applied in various aspects of our daily lives. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and cultural understanding, stay tuned as we unpack the meaning behind this phrase. The phrase, pack your patience, is an idiomatic expression often used in English to advise someone to prepare themselves for a situation that will require a lot of patience. It's similar to saying, be ready to wait without getting upset or angry. This phrase is commonly used in situations where delays, long waits, or frustrating circumstances are anticipated, such as in heavy traffic, during long queues, or when dealing with bureaucratic processes. Let's break down the phrase to better understand its meaning. Pack, in this context, doesn't refer to the physical act of packing, like when you pack a suitcase. Instead, it's used metaphorically to suggest preparing or equipping oneself with something non-tangible, in this case, patience. Your patience implies that patience is a personal resource or quality that one can bring along, just like an item in a bag. It suggests that patience is something you can control and choose to use when needed. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some examples of how this phrase can be used in everyday conversation. If you're going to the DMV tomorrow, you better pack your patience. It's going to be a long wait. With holiday travel coming up, remember to pack your patience along with your luggage. Airports are notoriously busy this time of year. These examples show how the phrase can be a friendly reminder to stay calm and patient in potentially stressful or time-consuming situations. Understanding and using the phrase, pack your patience, is important for several reasons. It reflects a cultural value of patience and calmness in the face of delays or challenges. It can help English language learners communicate more effectively and expressively in situations that require patience. It adds a layer of politeness and empathy in conversations, acknowledging that some situations are inherently frustrating but can be managed with a positive attitude. We hope this exploration of the phrase, pack your patience, has been enlightening and adds a valuable piece to your English language learning journey. Remember, mastering a language is not just about learning words and grammar, it's also about understanding the cultural nuances and expressions that make communication rich and meaningful. So, the next time you find yourself in a situation that tests your limits, remember to pack your patience. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the beautiful world of English.